Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute fresh fruits fridge magnet, and all the fruits are made using paper quilling strips. Also I will show you how to make the background, how to write the sentiment, and this is super duper adorable. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this mount board circle which is having 2 mm thickness, and this is cut in 8 cm diameter so that you can use 4 cm radius to create the circle. Now I am just coloring the circle from front and back side using this dark peach chalk paint. You can also use acrylic colors. So the coloring is done from both the sides and also from edges. Now I am taking here mount board strip which is 9 by 1 centimeters, and I am coloring this strip using light green chalk paint. Here we don't need to color this from both the sides because we are going to stick this on the base, so only one side coloring is perfect. Similarly, I have prepared total 6 strips. After coloring, this is done. Now taking back the base, and now I am going to stick my strips on the base after equal interval. So starting from the top point, sticking the first strip, just align it with the corner edge and then leave little gap and stick another strip. Similarly, I am repeating this process till the end of the circle. So this is done. Allow it to dry completely. It's dried. Now I'm just cutting the remaining excess strips from backside and just cut this in the circular shape. So you have to just match the base circle shape while cutting these excess strips. And the beautiful base is ready. Now I'm starting with my first fruit. So here I'm making the orange, and for this I'm taking 1/4 strip of orange color and 1/8 strip of white color, making a tiny teardrop shape. So I'm going to join total 8 teardrops. I had just flattened one side of the drop to create the triangle kind of shape, and here I'm just joining all 8 petals. Like this. Then around this I am going to wrap half strip of white color and 1 strip of orange color. like this. Now exactly in the center of this we need to fill the gap. So for this I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. For all my fruits I am using 3 mm strips only, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So just attach the tight coil in the center and orange is ready. Now I am proceeding to the watermelon piece. For this I am taking 2 strips of red color in 3 mm and making one triangle shape. Like this. Then I am taking white color strip, and in the bottom I am just creating some layers of this white strip. Similarly, I am going to add light green and dark green layers. So the layering is done. Now I am just making some small seeds using black permanent marker. And the super juicy watermelon is ready. Very tempting. Now I am starting with bananas. So here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one cone shape using pencil. Filling the cone using glue, and with the same procedure I have prepared one more cone. So I am just attaching both the cones together and the one banana is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 3 more bananas. So I am just joining all 4 bananas together and making the bunch. Now to make the stem for the banana, I am here taking 1/4 strip of brown color and making one tight coil and sticking it exactly on the top point of the bunch. Like this. So this is also done. Then I am starting with making strawberry. For this I am taking one strip of red color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. This is the tight teardrop. Then I have already prepared 3 small leaves using dark green color strip. So I am just attaching these leaves. These are very teeny mini. Adding some dots using white gel pen. Similarly, I have prepared one more strawberry, so strawberries are ready. Now I am proceeding for the kiwi. For this I am taking half strip of white color, one strip of light green color and half strip of brown color and making one tight coil. So this is done. Now on the edge of the white coil I am just adding some dots randomly using black permanent marker to create the seeds. And the super cute kiwi is also ready. Then at the end I am making some grapes. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of dark purple color, making one tight coil. So I have prepared total 10 tight coils. I am just arranging all together and creating the bunch of the grapes. Just taking white color in the background so that you can see nicely how I am arranging all the grapes. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more leaf. So I'm just joining these leaves on the center edge and the bunch is ready. Now taking back the base, and I will start arranging all my juicy fruits in one corner. Like this, and then I am writing the sentiment good food, good mood using my black permanent marker. Then using this deco varnish by Little Birdie, I am just applying it using brush so that we can protect this from dust, and it will also make our project more sturdy, and you can wipe it with damp cloth anytime whenever required. So covering each and every part using this varnish and allow it to dry. Now on the back side of this, I am attaching one super strong magnet using B6000 glue and align it exactly in the center according to the front side so that it will look nice when we will stick this with fridge. So the super cute juicy fruity magnet is ready and my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.